Welcome to Brainy Hacks. Today we're exploring how AI is changing schools and how teachers, parents, and students can use it responsibly. With more than 86% of students worldwide using AI tools in their studies and approximately 60% of US K-12 teachers integrating AI into lessons each week, this isn't the future, it's happening now. Let's break down how to make the most of AI without losing control. AI offers huge benefits. Efficiency, for example, nearly 68% of teachers using AI say it helped them save time on planning lessons and materials. Personalized learning. Students are engaging with AI in many ways. One survey shows 35% use generative AI for problem solving and learning. Accessibility. These tools can support students with diverse needs, giving extra practice, scaffolding, or visuals. But with great power comes great responsibility. Students, here's how to stay responsible. Use it as a tool, not a shortcut. Many students, about 90% in college settings, report using AI for homework, but that can blur the line between helping and replacing. Check facts. Not all AI is accurate. Some models may hallucinate or provide unreliable information. Cite help. If the AI gave you ideas or language, you're transparent about your process. Stay creative and engaged. One UK study found that 62% of students believe AI tools negatively affect their creativity when overused. Understand school policy. About 40% of American students admit to using AI on assignments without permission, so knowing the rules matters. When you use AI thoughtfully, it becomes a partner, not a crutch. Teachers, here's how to lead the way. Review AI-generated content. AI can create lesson ideas, worksheets, or quiz drafts. However, fewer than 20% of US K-12 teachers report having formal training in AI tool use. Use AI to differentiate. You can easily create multiple versions of an activity for different learners. Teach digital citizenship and academic integrity. AI changes how students learn and create. Schools report around 47% teach students about AI tools and ethics. Guard data and privacy. About 33% of teachers weren't sure if their AI tools complied with student data laws. Model transparency. Show your students how you used AI if you did, so they see it modeled well. Parents, you play a key role too. Monitor use at home. With students using AI more and more, like 66% using some form of generative AI for schoolwork globally. Balance support and independence. Remind your child, AI helps, but their thinking counts. Discuss privacy and ethics. A recent poll found nearly 70% of parents were uncomfortable with AI accessing children's school data. Celebrate creativity. Encourage projects where the student's ideas lead and the AI follows. Here are some golden rules for responsible AI and learning. Use AI to assist, not replace your work. Verify information before trusting it. Cite wherever required. Maintain your unique voice and ideas. Stay aware of your school's or district's AI policy. When everyone, students, teachers, and parents, works together, AI becomes a powerful ally instead of a risk. AI in education is here to stay for better or worse. By using it responsibly, we can boost learning, save time, and promote creativity. Teachers, parents, students, together we can shape how this tech works for us. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it. Comment below with your favorite AI tool or one question you have about using AI in school. Stay curious, stay safe, and thanks for watching Brainy Hacks.